Hi guys, it's me here, Chigo Kings. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Yeah guys, today you will notice my mouth will be going up and coming down in this tutorial. Yes, please ignore that. Don't just ignore it. Yeah, this video is a year and 3 months old. When I did this video, there was something that was going viral on internet, on Instagram, so I said to talk about it. But after doing the video, I just said not to just upload the video again. So today, I don't know, I just said just upload the videos. So let's just forget about what my mouth is doing and just concentrate on the tutorial. Yeah guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please share and like. Yeah, subscribe, share and like is free. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into. This is Manhattan gel liner. It's from GM. Yeah, I bought it from GM. That's what I'm going to use to fill up my brows. First of all, I'm going to brush my brows so that I can get the actual line of my brows before I start filling it up with Manhattan gel liner. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just following the lines of the line of my brows to fill it up. To just fill it up with the Manhattan gel liner. Most times I think I prefer gel liner to the eye pencil because yeah, it comes out very well. Yeah, the eye pencil, the eyebrow pencil comes out very well too, but this one doesn't even give me much stress when I'm using it. So guys, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to give it a shape with Elegant Pro Concealer. I think it should fall. That's what I'm going to use right now to just clean it and just give it a shape. Yeah, I like using it. Some people don't use it too, they just go the way, but I like using it to just so that it come out very, very, very fine. NYSC Professional Makeup Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to use the shade, the pink here, and yeah, the lighter pink and the deeper pink. So I'm going to start with the deeper pink on my crease. That's what I'm going to use for my crease. So I'm just taking it in and bringing it out. Just take your time when you're just applying the eyeshadow. That's the key of eyeshadow. Don't be in a hurry. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking it and bringing it out. Then after that, I'll start with the second shade. That's what I'm going in with right now. So that is what I'm doing right now. It's a chocolate gold. This shade here. That I'm going to use for the outer corner of my eyes. Hope it will give me what I want. This chocolate gold is very, very pigmented. It's Too Faced products, so it's very, very pigmented. So that's what I'm using on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just taking it and just bringing it. I just want to do something like just pink. Makeup Revolution Concealer C2. So guys, just a little bit cut on my crease. I just want to have a touch of white on the pink eyeshadow. So that's what I'm doing right now. Eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this shade here. Yeah, I just changed my mind to use it to bring out the color. I'm going to just stop it a little bit, like I said before, just so that it will be a little bit brighter. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm still talking, my mouth is still going up and going like this. Gist, guys, this gist is very, very, very sweet. I'm putting my eyelashes. This eyelashes, I bought it from AliExpress. The eyelashes is okay. It's okay. You can see how it's looking. So that's what I'm doing right now. Foundation, yeah, deep 78 natural. I'm going to just bump a little. The brush I'm using now is from BH Cosmetics, their foundation brush. I'll just use it to dab the foundation into my face. But before then, I used a corrector from BH Cosmetics to just cover up a little bit acne on my face, dark spots. I don't know, I can't find the video again, so I don't know what happened. Now I'm going to conceal my under my eye with Eyeshadow Pro Concealer, just highlight under my eyes. This Eyeshadow is a very good product and it's very, very cheap as the leg. And but I even classify it as a drugstore or what. So I'm going in right now with my beauty blender to just blend it out, to just blend it very well. That's what I'm using. You can still use the same brush that I used before, the foundation brush, to just blend it. If you're comfortable using brush, it's okay, you can still use it, but I prefer using beauty blender to blend it. Yup. So that's what I'm doing, just blend it very well. 183 days by Trend is a banana loose powder shake. Actually, this product is DM product. It's a DM product, yeah. Using this loose powder on area, I used my concealer. So that's what I'm doing. And this loose powder is okay too. It's okay. There's no more different. Even if I say much different, there's not much. If I don't know whether there is, but I think there is no more different between this loose powder, this banana loose powder from DM, and the Sacha Cup butter. So that is it. I'm still talking. My mouth is still going up and coming down. I know some people will be wondering what she's talking about, what she's saying. So yeah, so I'm going to dust it off with my powder brush from the same BH Cosmetics. That's what I'm doing. I'm just dusting it off. I say such a powder. The banana loose powder from DM. So that's what I'm doing. Pencil is white pencil, actually from DM, is a DM product, so it's from my waterline. I'm going to use for my water. I'm going to use the same shade that I use on my crease under my eye. This NYS product is very good. It comes out very well too. Yeah, it's okay. The white pencil is still okay. So I'm going to use powder from House of Tara. Actually, it's a powder that I bought, but I finished my shade. So this is the darker shade. That's what I used to do my contour. That's what I always used to do my contour. I need to throw it away. I just use it to do my contour. So that's what I'm doing. The powder is from House of Tara, Nigeria. So I'm going in right now with dragon heart highlight. I bought this highlight from, I think, from Roseman, and it's a highlight, and it comes out very, very well. It comes out very, very. I was so surprised. Even the first time I used it, I was so surprised. It comes out very well. Sometimes this drugstore works very well. So I'm going in right now with my blush palette, the same palette from House of Tara Nigeria. I always highlight first before I use my blush, because I use blush to take away the harsh lines of the highlight. That's what I always do. Anytime I do my makeup, I highlight first and then blush comes later. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just highlight the bridge of my nose. So I'm going in right now with lip liner from House of Tara Nigeria. So I'm using it to just line my lips. This lip liner, if you have been following my channel, you will know that this lip liner, I don't play with it. I almost use it every makeup. I think I almost use it. The lip liner is so good. If you're looking for something that moisturize, or the lip liner that can moisturize your lips, I think this is good for you. It'll be good for you. So it's a purple color, but I cannot remember the name, and sadly it just remains small. I didn't know how to get another one. So right now I'm still going in with lipstick from House of Tara Nigeria too. I love their product. They have a very good product. They're very good. I love their product. So this lipstick is not a matte lipstick. You're looking for something that moisturizes your lips too, I think this lipstick is good for you as well. So I love their product. As I said before, I love their products. Yeah. So I'm going to just apply a little bit liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick is still from House of Tara Nigeria. So I'm just going to use, I'm just aligning my lips with it so that it can be a little bit shiny. Here comes the end of the tutorial. Yeah, I'm just not combing my hair. Just trying to just make it, just comb it to make it look good. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys love it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. I don't even remember even to say like, share, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment, share, and like. It's free. It's free. I'm still talking. Setting spray I use right now is from is a GM product. I think it's a GM product. I don't know. I think it's a Manhattan product, something like that. So that is it. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you all. God bless you all. Please don't forget to subscribe again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Till the next video. Bye.